Ever had a clogged sink or bad food smells? Say goodbye to kitchen mess with the InSinkErator Badger 5 garbage disposal. This powerful half horsepower motor grinds food scraps fast, making cleanup easy. From fruit peels to leftovers, the continuous feed design lets you keep adding food while it runs. So no more clogging or waiting. Installing it is simple. The lift and latch system makes setup quick and hassle-free. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what customers are saying. The installation was easy and the motor is strong yet quiet. It handles everything from fruit peels to leftovers with no issues. This product made with galvanized steel parts. The Badger 5 is durable and built to last. Plus, its compact size saves space under your sink. It also comes with a 3-year in-home service warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Want to make your kitchen cleanups easier? Click the link below to get your InSinkErator Badger 5 today.